I almost said happy birthday, but that's just because we're doing happy birthday video today. But today is a Monday, and hi guys, I'm Auntie Tay. If you don't know who I am, that's who I am. Check out my channel if you want to get to know a little bit more about what I do, Cricut stuff, planner stuff, ideas, lots of things. Okay, today's a Cricut video and we're doing some ideas. We're doing 18 first birthday ideas. I didn't even think about how cute that is because it's your first birthday and then you stop being a kid when you're 18, so that's super cute. Okay, so I came up with some first birthday ideas. This is also a Pinterest board on my Pinterest. You guys can follow and check out more ideas and stuff like that, as well as find the bloggers that actually came up with the idea so that you can figure out how they showed you how to do it, all that good stuff. So I came up with my favorites, and the first one is a banner with cut out of one, and there's so many funny puns for one. Mr. Wonderful, one, I don't know, there was a lot. There's tons of cute ones out there. So you can make a banner saying whatever you want. 12-month photo hanger. I love this idea. You can do whatever theme you're doing, or you can do banners and put, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, all the way up to 12, and then a picture of the baby all the way up until 12. Onesies are duh, everyone loves baby onesies, especially with the Cricut. So a first birthday onesie, a cake topper. There's some really cute ones out there on Pinterest, but little, like I've seen the ones with the sticks and then they have the little pendant and their name. There's just so many cute cake toppers. A photo board, so you can cut out your photos in cute shapes. I have a tutorial on how to do that if you need to know how to do that. And you can just hang them with cute 1 through 12 or cute sayings or whatever you want to do with that. Balloon animals. So whatever theme you're doing, turn your balloons into fun animals with Cricut cutout shapes and stick them to the balloons, whether it's like dinosaurs or Mickey Mouse or whatever theme you're doing, that would make them really cute. Photo props, so whatever a backdrop that you want to make, and then cute photo props to everyone celebrate the baby's first birthday. Invitations, so the Cricut's great for invitations, whether it's hand lettering or print and cut or layering your paper or pop-up picture invitation, whatever you want to do. Just you can use your Cricut to make the invitations. There's tons of ideas out there. There's so many people out there doing paper stuff that are far better than I am, because I don't play with paper that much, even though I would love to. Your thank you tags, so you can put little tags on your little gift favor that you send people home with. A painted palette, I really liked this idea. You just get a palette and then you can use a stencil made with the Cricut and paint whatever you want on it, and then you can hang pictures on it or you can hang the goodie bags from it. I just thought it was a really fun and cheap idea. A table centerpiece, so you can, whatever theme you're doing, cut out the little papers of that and stick them on little sticks and stick them inside of a jar, put some fun things in the jar. Table centerpieces. Bam, wham, thank you, ma'am. Cupcake toppers, these are all the rage, especially cupcakes, because cakes can be kind of hard, especially because you want to get the baby its own cake and then everyone else, you don't want to get a whole nother cake, so cupcakes are really fun. Cup decals, this is a really cheap way to spruce up just cheap cups. You can put the decals that go with the theme of the birthday party on them. A birthday board, so that is one of those picture boards. I wish I would have started when my kids were little, but they really didn't exist. But those boards that say like how many months they are, what their favorite things are, and then you can put them next to it every day, every year, and take a picture of them with their new stuff, and then you can see how much they're growing. That one's really fun. Cupcake holders, so the actual holding part of the cupcake, you can get a template and cut that out and do that in the theme that you're doing. Mom and dad shirts. I didn't even think of this, and then when I came up with it, I was like, oh, that's such a great idea. If you had like a birthday boy's mom and birthday boy's dad for the pictures that you take that day, that would be really cute. The plasticware holders, so just cute little emblems that you could tie around the plasticware just to give it a little spruced up thing. And then of course your thank you cards. So don't forget to send thank you cards to anyone who brings you gifts, and you can hand draw or Cricut hand draw the addresses and all that good stuff. So it's just a great thing to have when you're doing birthday parties, or if you like to do your birthday parties at home. It'll definitely save you money and really make your birthday parties pop. So I hope you enjoyed these ideas. If you have someone turning 1, that's exciting. I think I'm past those days, but there's just so much stuff on Cricut or on Pinterest that I didn't want to pass up the idea of letting you guys know ideas. So check out my Pinterest board. There's tons of other ideas out there, but those were my favorite 18 that I found, and I love you guys. Goodbye.